Hey y'all, excuse how I look. I've been busy working today. I was going to do a video last week, and just all kinds of stuff has happened, and my son had to have surgery on his knee again, and that didn't go well, so we're having to have a third surgery. But I was going to show y'all this money clip that I've been working on. And what I have done is, I got black on it from coloring something, but I polished this with my hand polishing wheels that are, I'll show them to you. This was in another group, was discussing that, about using your Dremel with your little polishing wheels like this. And that's how I did this one. Because I had a spot on the back of it that when I stamped it, probably can tell it, the O went a little deep and it made an indentation. I was trying to smooth that out a little bit, and then that caused the metal to not be as shiny as it originally was, and I had to polish the whole thing to even it out. Now some people will leave it like this, polish it with just hand polish and a Dremel. And I took photos I'm going to post later of the results from, polishing it with all the steps of the polishing wheels. I'm also going to throw this back in the tumbler and tumble it. And then I'll take a photo of what it looks like after it's been tumbled. Now, once that process is done, this should actually be smoother finish. This looks more like a brush finish with that. This should actually come out smoother and be a much shinier finish to it by tumbling it. So what I'm trying to do is just show y'all the difference of hand finishing versus a good tumble with a good burnisher in a tumbler. Right now my tumbler's running with spoons that I'm doing some napkin rings with. So I'm fixing to, hopefully they're done and I can get that order packed because I want to go take it to the post office. But I just want to do a little quick update and show you this. And maybe you can tell a little more about how, it looks fairly smooth, but it's just it's a brushed finish. Using those burrs, and you can get them on Amazon with the mandrels and everything comes with it. I think it comes with at least 2 or 3. I'm not positive. It's been so long. But they have different ones. They have the shapes I showed you. They also have some like this shape, some that are just round disc. But you can get them in different shapes and sizes to use with your Dremel tool. So they're really good for a lot of things. But if you want that shiny, shiny finish, the tumbler is going to be the way to go. The tumbler I have comes from Harbor Freight. I got a new one recently because my double barrel croaked on me. And my husband got me a new one. But I have the double barrel, and I have my trusty single barrel that I have literally had for 15 years. And it's still going, knock on wood. But I've had to replace the belts a couple of times, but this one works a lot. It's been going and going and going. The only problem between that one and the top one, that's the double barrel, is you have the same size motor trying to turn twice as much weight with the double barrel, because it's exactly the same motor as the single barrel. That's the only problem I found with it, is that it does wear out faster. But I would highly recommend, if you don't have one, spend the $65 at Harbor Freight. You can get the tumbling medium, which is basically looks like BBs, but don't use BBs because it needs to be stainless steel jewelry shot. And let's find it, the Shine Bright liquid. This bottle will last months and months and months, depending on how much polishing you're doing. You just take a capful and make you some up in another bottle because this is concentrated. So later on, I will post the pictures of this after I hand finished it, and then I'm going to post the pictures after it comes out of this tumbler. I'm probably going to let it tumble a good 2 hours at least, minimum. May go longer. I'm going to check it and see how it looks after that. And then we'll post the after pictures. Y'all have a good day, and I'm going to try to start getting some more stuff posted. I've been getting more orders in, so I'll have more things that I can post coming up. Because I have some interesting things that I have recently done, so we'll take a look at some new things. Y'all have a good day.